welcome to Whitley Academy's Post-16 Rewards Assembly. I'd like to start the assembly by sending a message to Year 13 to say how proud we are of all our Year 13 leavers and wish them all the best with their results and their future careers. I'd also like to send a message to Year 11 to say how excited we are to welcome you to Post-16 in September, and we're looking forward to celebrating your GCSE results this summer. I'd like to start the assembly with a short inspirational video to all our Year 12s to get them thinking about how well they've engaged with school during lockdown. And maybe there are some of those that are thinking, why do I continue? Why am I doing this during this weird and unprecedented time? And hopefully this short motivational video will tell you why.
I want to encourage somebody out there who's thinking about quitting and giving up. Somebody who has been praying for years for things to turn around. You're thinking about quitting, you're thinking about giving up. You are folding, you are caving in. This is for you.
You're in this storm and you're down on your knees and you're cold and you're weak and you feel like this is the end. You have a choice to either give up or keep going. Give up or get up.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused.
When you fail, try again and again and again. You just take one step at a time.
It's hard, but it's worth fighting. It's worth believing. It's worth mustering yourself up, standing up inside yourself. It's worth fighting relentlessly, never giving up.
I love the sun, but things don't grow because of the sun. You have to have some rain. And you've got to stop looking at rain in your life as something bad. My greatest moments didn't come from my greatest moments. My greatest moments came from my greatest defeats. Because it was during my defeat that I had to find a way to get back up. You thought for 1 minute that you broke me. You got me twisted. I am not phenomenally skilled, but phenomenally willed. I will not give up. I will not surrender. I will not quit. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop running towards your dream. Stay encouraged. Stay encouraged. Keep your head up. Stick your chest out. Continue to walk with pride. And know if it was easy, everybody would do it. It's not going to be easy, but we have what it takes. Their rough times are going to come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass. Don't say I'm having a bad day. Say I'm having a character building day. Don't look at night as darkness. Look at night as a new beginning.
The first award is for being community-minded, and it goes to Maddie Smalden and Saffron Sahota. The next award is for stickability, and it goes to Amy Wolstenholme and Clayton Pitter. The next award is for having higher aspirations, and it goes to Joseph Elliott and Eleanor Summers. The next award is for mental security, and it goes to Jamila Humandi and Jennifer McCauley. The next award is for communication, and it goes to Ashvin Paramasalama and Megan Bennett.
The next award is for dedication and commitment to learning in English. And the winners of the award are Harry Bates and Poppy Eaton. Congratulations to you both. dedication and commitment to learning in maths. And congratulations to our two winners, Jack Wallington and Saffron Sahota. Our next award is for dedication and commitment to learning in biology. And a huge congratulations to Monet Evans and Ashwint Paramasalama. Our next award is for dedication and commitment to learning in chemistry. And a massive congratulations to Joe Elliott and Nethra Paramasalama. Our next award goes to dedication and commitment to learning in physics. And a huge congratulations to Dylan Considine and Khalid Abdelakir.
The next award for demonstrating their commitment and learning in psychology goes to Eleanor Summers and Poppy Eaton. Well done, both. The next award for demonstrating their commitment in history goes to Jay Muldoon. Well done, Jay. The next award for demonstrating their commitment in sociology goes to Eleanor Summers and Poppy Eaton. The next award for demonstrating their commitment in French goes to Anya McConnell. Well done, Anya. The next award for demonstrating their commitment in geography goes to Maddie Smaldon. The next award is for commitment to learning in iMedia, and the award goes to Harry Bates and Bethany Fiesel. The next award is for commitment to learning in health and social care, and the award goes to Anya McConnell and Ketsia McCambo. The next award is for commitment to learning in ICT, and the award goes to Jack Wallington and Spencer McLaren. The next award is commitment to learning in business, and the award goes to Bethany Fiesel and Harry Bates. The next award is for commitment to learning in applied science, and the award goes to Amy Morton and Mundir Mohammed. The next award is for commitment to learning in sport, and the award goes to Patrick Marshall and Matthew McCulloch.
And that brings our awards assembly to an end. A huge congratulations to all our winners. We really do look forward to welcoming Year 12 back into school shortly. Good luck over the summer with all your UCAS applications, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.